If you know you tend to overpack for most of the trips that you take, here are 10 top tips that might help you. So first, at the end of each trip, use the learning and feedback to create a packing list for next time. Write a list to put in each and every bag that you have. Include the destination and duration of the trip, what you packed and what you actually used, so the list can be used as a starting point for packing when you take your next trip to the same destination or similar destination for the same or similar duration. Second, buy new underwear before you go, but don't pack it to take with you. Take old underwear that you can throw away at the end of each day. You'll then have nice new underwear to come home to that won't need washing. You'll also have more space in your luggage on your return. Third, forget travel-sized toiletry containers or travel-sized toiletries. Take the tube of toothpaste, shampoo, shower gel, and so on that you're currently using. Then leave whatever's left at the hotel before you come home. The hotel will find a way to recycle or use whatever's left. Fourth, have your image and colours assessed so that you can limit the number of clothes that you take while maximising the number of possible outfits. Fifth, take a bin bag to put dirty clothes in. That way, when you get home, you can easily separate what needs washing by simply emptying the bin bag into your washing machine and unpack the rest. Sixth, if you know someone who has been to the destination you're going to, ask them if there's anything they wish they had taken with them that they didn't take and couldn't buy there. Seventh, buy a cheap festival rain poncho that doesn't take up much space. Even on a beach holiday, you might be surprised just how useful it can be, either on holiday or while travelling there. Eighth, be realistic. How many changes of clothes do you need each day? If you don't have a schedule of what you plan to do each day to work out how many you're likely to need, then use the 3-3-3 principle. The absolute maximum number of outfits you're likely to wear each day is 3, excluding sleepwear and underwear. You can wear the same outfit every 3 days. You can wear each outfit 3 times before it needs washing. So for a 7-day holiday, realistically, the absolute maximum you'll need to pack are 6 outfits, 2 for day wear, 2 for swimwear or leisure wear, 2 for evening wear, 6 pairs of footwear or shoes, 4 necklaces, 4 pairs of earrings, and so on. Ninth, start packing 7 days in advance to manage any anxiety and to avoid last-minute overwhelm or panic, which leads to overpacking. Start by checking whether you need to fill any prescription medication so that you have enough to take with you and for at least 5 days after your return. Finally, top tip number 10. Do not advertise on social media that you're going or are on holiday. That's how burglars fund their own holidays. Celebrities only advertise their holidays on social media in real time if they have staff at their homes. If they don't, they only share photos and stories when they return. You can clear your clutter fast or you can clear your clutter forever, but you can't clear your clutter forever fast. If you're ready to get the help and support that you need to succeed and clear your clutter forever, just like I did over 20 years ago, click on the link with this video and find out how I can help you.